Meaning of divergence.
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 Divergence. Divergence refers to the process of moving away from a common point or idea. In mathematics, it is used to describe the behavior of a sequence that does not approach a finite limit as its terms progress. In physics, divergence refers to the expansion or spreading out of quantities such as electric fields or fluid flow. Divergence can also refer to a disagreement or conflict between people or groups. In essence, divergence describes a deviation or separation from a particular point or direction.